Hi everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I want to show you how I made this pumpkin and disco ball wall in less than 5 minutes. Okay, the first step is to decide on your color palette. I chose these mustard yellow and blush pink pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and then I mixed in some fun metallics and disco balls to add really fun interest. Another thing to take into consideration are your textures. The cotton fabric and the velvet fabric mixed with the metallic disco balls really makes for a fun and whimsical vignette. The next step is to attach the pumpkins and disco balls to the wall. So it's like a building block. You start with the largest pieces at the bottom and work your way up. And you're going to use gaffer tape to attach it to 3 different points on your pumpkin and disco ball, 1 in the back and 2 on the bottom. Gaffer tape is great because it is super strong, but it doesn't leave any residue. So a couple of things to note when you're building your own wall. I recommend using a variety of textures and colors in different points along your wall so your eye continues to move up the wall to add interest. And I also recommend you placing a treatment like this away from a lot of activity, because even though this will stay put for a while, it is not permanent. And honestly, that's the beauty of it, because you can use it for holidays and decorations and even for fun events. So I hope this inspires you to add a little bit of extra whimsy to your fall decor. Thank you guys.